They are places where time stands still and whispers of the past echo through the silence. Welcome to Dhanushkoti, India's most mysterious ghost town, where history, tragedy and myths collide. Once a bustling town at the southern tip of India, in Tamil Nadu and at the confluence of Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, it was known for its vibrant trade, temples and famous railway station. But everything changed on one fateful night. It was on the night of 22nd December 1964 when the deadliest cyclone wiped out the entire town, leaving behind nothing but ruins and lost souls. The whole area was submerged under the sea and over 1,800 people lost their lives, including the 113 passengers on the Pamban Dhanushkoti passenger train, which was completely washed away by the waves. The once thriving town turned into a graveyard, never to be inhabited again. Dhanushkoti also has a great mythological significance. According to the epic Ramayana, it is the place where Lord Ram built the Ram Setu, a floating bridge of stones across the sea, to reach Lanka. It is believed that Lord Ram used his divine bow, Dhanush, to break the bridge from this point, hence the name Dhanushkoti, or the end of the bow. The broken remains of the bridge, the Ram Setu, can still be seen underwater between India and Sri Lanka. After more than 60 years, Dhanushkoti continues to attract a significant number of tourists due to its unique geographical location and also historical significance. But no one is allowed to stay here after sunset. As the sun sets, the town transforms into a land of whispers and shadows. Local people and fishermen believe that the spirits of those who died in the tragedy roam around Dhanushkoti at night. There are many stories of strange noises, crying sounds and ghostly figures near the abandoned church, post office and railway station. But according to authorities, it is mainly the safety reasons for this time deadline. The confluence of Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean creates turbulent waters with very strong undercurrents, which makes it unsafe during nights. And then there is lack of lighting, which adds to the risk. As of today, the remnants of the old railway station and church, collapsed homes, submerged structures can be seen, which show the past of Dhanushkoti, how the beauty of a town is frozen in the aftermath of disaster. They stand as silent witnesses to both mythology and tragedy. Dhanushkoti remains as one of the most haunted places in India, where the whispers of the past refuse to fade.